Amidst the towers adorning our golden shores are places where the rhythm of the sea meets the pulse of the earth. The earth inspires dreams of possibility, revealing new ways of being at one with the land. The ocean is a sanctuary of serenity, offering the soft embrace of the sea and warm kiss of the sun. Here, peaceful waterways capture the special moments reflected off their surface as time drifts by. Here, the endless green canopy of the rainforest provides shelter to a symphony of colour and sound. Here, deep connections between people and place exist, with unique stories to tell about country. The Gold Coast's natural beauty is brimming with opportunity. The opportunity to inspire, to innovate, to build a tourism industry that respects and preserves its natural integrity. You could say tourism comes naturally to the Gold Coast. Tourism is in our air. Tourism is in our water. Tourism is in our land. Tourism is in our nature.